Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is one of the, I guess it's like a purse that my wife bought with the K initial. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what the purse look like. Wow. I guess she purchased more than one purse, so. This is a set of sewing, silver and black. Not sure what's this. Open it up real quick and see. Oh, must be for my wife dress. Some kind of hook. And this is the K initial. Elegant Park K initial. Zipper canvas. So yeah, unfortunately I cannot open this. This is gonna be a gift. I'm not sure what's this. Oh, so this is a sewing kit. Probably for my wife. Let me just open that real quick. Got the zipper. What? It's a bunch of different color of the thread, and then this is a measuring tape. Not sure what this one for, but is it a needle holder or? Got the scissor and then the thread cutter, the pin, different size of needle, some of the button. Oh, this is to insert the thread to the needle. The tool. So this one is pretty good if you have a thread that you need to cut it. Pretty useful. And here's another bag. With a K initial. Look like a canvas bag. Yep. Canvas tote bag. Since this is a zipper, I could open it up. nice embroidery on here. There's a pouch pocket right here. Got the black handle. And then there you go. By the way, we are not sponsored by any of this company. Purchased with our own money, so yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.